Well, welcome back to Bear's Rod Shop. This is December the 15th in 2020. And previous video showed us some tearing down the column, and did not take time to show the painting of it, but the column has all been in epoxy primer and then in gloss black. And here today we're into the final parts of rebuilding the steering column. I might have to do 2 parts or so. And here's the outer tower housing. And we also have got to get the bearings, and races pushed out and replaced on this piece. But I found a video that I really liked, since this is my first column. I'm almost 70, but they're intimidating. And I found here this gentleman. It's Camaro Rick, and this video was done in October 2018. And here we are at this point, which really is a booger, because this little ring has to be put in, but the shaft has to come through about a 1/16 or so, and you put that deformed washer, and then you end up putting in, hopefully you can see this all right from his video. I got it froze right now. And then slide in the housing mechanism that the 4 screws go into. And anyhow, if you guys that are out there on them GM tilt telescopic columns are having problems, especially like me, I tore it down a couple of weeks ago, and then now I had to go back and refresh. You can slow his video down, and he is thorough. Camaro Rick there on YouTube. We're not endorsing him, but we did subscribe to him, and thumbs up and compliments. And then we have all the new pieces here. The bottom part of the bearings, new parts here. All the new rack pieces to go in. And these are the old bearings. I think we had already showed this before. But this column is going to be totally rebuilt. And that being said, we hope that these videos, even short in length, will help. And please give us a thumbs up. And our info that leads you to other videos, channels out there on YouTube that are more thorough and full length will help. But please subscribe, please share, come back and comment, and we'll do our best to get more videos out. Today was a good day. We have really nasty weather outside, and so the old Dodge D250 is like on hold right now, and so is the Jeep. But today we're going to concentrate the rest of the afternoon putting this column back together, making sure everything works good. We'll probably do a couple more parts on it as it's ready to go back into the Corvette. Again, please share, thumbs up, and send us your comments. Thank you.